Fissure 8 is still pumping and the number of homes destroyed keeps going up. Late this afternoon, civil defense officials updated their official count to 637 homes. The lava field also continues to grow, covering 6,144 acres. Civil defense officials also reported a large explosion that rocked the summit of Kilauea this afternoon. They say it released the same amount of energy as a magnitude 5.3 earthquake. It happened just after 4:30, and there was no tsunami threat. Check out this new map created by the USGS, which gives a unique look at the flow moving through Puna. The thermal map shows the lava field outlined in black and the most active areas in the fissure system.
Hawaii volcano eruption, lava blasts from more fissures as bushfires sparked. Hawaii's volcano eruption is spewing hot lava from more fissures as activity spreads across Big Island. Kilauea volcano's wrath continues to threaten locals on the Big Island as a number of fissures burst into life over the last 24 hours. Plumes of toxic smoke are expected to spread to the west of the island over the weekend. The Hawaii Fire Department were also called at 12 p.m. local time, after high levels of heat in the region sparked a raging bushfire near Pu'uanadulu, causing Highway 190 to remain closed. Highway 190 was closed for a few hours, although the road is now open for vehicles, but officials warned locals to take caution. Lava was spotted erupting from fissures 16 and 22, which emerged on Friday, as Fissure 8 continues to erupt, raging lava flowing to the Kapoho Ocean. USGS in Hawaii said, lava fountains from the Fissure 8 spatter cone continue to flow in the established channel to the Kapoho coastline. A dominant ocean entry on the south edge of the flow front is producing a large lace plume. Upslope, Minor overflows from the channel occur periodically, but are short-lived and do not extend beyond the current flow field. Fissure 6 is no longer active. Fissure 16 displayed incandescence and weak lava fountain was observed at Fissure 22 by this morning's overflight crew. Toxic volcanic gas emissions from Fissure 8 remain high, and trade winds are set to sweep fog to southern and western parts of the island of Hawaii. Paleozoic volcanic gas fragments continue to threaten Big Island, as trade winds are expected to carry lava particles several meters from Kilauea's vent. Residents are urged to avoid exposing themselves to these volcanic fragments, as they can severely irritate the skin and eyes. Locals have been warned not to venture too close to the ocean, as the explosive combination of lava and water can send huge debris flying into the air. Officials have also warned residents of laze, which occurs when lava and water combine, creating corrosive plumes of hydrochloric acid with fine volcanic particles that can irritate skin, eyes and lungs. Locals should not walk on lava delta, formed when lava cools and hardens upon contact with the sea, as officials say it is unstable and can easily slide into the sea, endangering those who tread on it. The Hawaii County Civil Defense Agency said, Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports that Fissure 8 continues to erupt with a full channel flowing to the ocean at Kapoho. Currently, there is no immediate threat, but persons near the active flow should heed warnings from civil defense. Trade winds are pushing fog to the southwest. Hawaiian authorities have announced free medical, dental and eye care services for residents at Keio High School between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. on June 22nd and June 23rd. The Hawaii County Civil Defense added, seismicity remained elevated overnight at the summit of KILAUEA Volcano, reaching over 40 earthquakes per hour at one point. Inward slumping of the rim and walls of Halemomor continues in response to ongoing subsidence at the summit. Sulfur dioxide emissions from the volcano's summit have dropped to levels that are about half those measured prior to the onset of the current episode of eruptive activity. This gas and minor amounts of ash are being transported downwind, with small bursts of ash and gas accompanying them.
Residents of Hawaii County who suffered damages or losses from the recent KILAUEA volcanic eruption and earthquakes can now register for disaster assistance with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA. Federal assistance is now available to eligible individuals, business owners, and private nonprofit organizations in Hawaii County. A Disaster Recovery Center, or DRC, jointly operated by the state of Hawaii and FEMA, is located at KILAUEA High School Gymnasium, 16-725 KILAUEA Road, KILAUEA, Hawaii, 96749. The DRC will be open every day from 8 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. You can register for disaster assistance at the DRC, as well as have any questions answered by FEMA, the U.S. Small Business Administration, and state and county government officials. Please remember to bring the following information when registering at the DRC: your Social Security number, your address of the damaged primary residence, a description of the damage, information about your insurance coverage, a current telephone number where you can reach, an address where you can get mail, and your bank account and routing number for direct deposit. The Disaster assistance for homeowners and renters may include grants to help pay for temporary housing, essential home repairs, uninsured and underinsured personal property loans, and other serious disaster-related needs that are not covered by insurance. The U.S. Small Business Administration offers low-interest disaster loans to businesses of all sizes, including landlords, private nonprofit organizations, homeowners, and renters. These disaster loans help pay for losses that are not fully compensated for by your insurance or other forms of assistance. You do not need to pay back to your land. FEMA assistance is not taxable and will not affect your eligibility for Social Security, Medicaid, or other federal benefits. Registering with FEMA is an important step in getting federal aid, even if you have already registered with other disaster relief organizations such as FEMA and COS. If you have insurance, you should still register with FEMA. While FEMA cannot duplicate your insurance payments, underinsured applicants may get more assistance after their claims have been settled with their insurance company. You can also apply at disasterassistance.gov or by phone at 800-621-3362 or by TTY at 800-462-7855. If you use 711 or video relay service, please call 800-621-3362. You can call these numbers 7 days a week from 7 o'clock a.m. and 1 p.m. local time.
What started out as a group of ladies doing good deeds has grown into one of the largest food pantries in Pune. Recently, their work has been vital to helping people displaced by the eruption. Our Allison Blair introduces us to the group who call themselves Bodacious Women of Pahoa. Allison.
That's right, Steph. They've got quite the name, don't they? And they are on quite the mission. Volunteers have been working every day since the eruption began, distributing food, clothing, and other necessities in communities throughout Pune.
When that first ground shook, we were already calling each other. We came down here, met with each other, and says, okay, we need to go in action.
When people in Pune need a hand up, they often turn to these women.
You're not always going to have a family member or a friend to stay with.
Using money out of their own pockets, the Bodacious Women of Pahoa launched their first food bank in 2013. Since then, they've helped establish monthly pantries in neighborhoods throughout Pune. Over the years, the nonprofit has been instrumental in providing relief following disasters like Hurricane Iselle.
It is important because, people who can't go out to market and get what they want, this is the place to be.
Since the eruption began, the number of folks living with marine nihi has more than doubled from 7 to 15.
I came several times, so I figured since I'm coming to get, I might as well give my time. So I take care of this area right here.
Nanavali's always been used because this has always been our hub.
Volunteers are at the Community Association's log house 7 days a week from 9 in the morning until 3, helping people with the basics.
Right now, the biggest need is tents, tarps, bungee cords, and water.
Every day, dozens of people are served. With no end in sight, Tracy, along with the rest of the Bodacious Women, say they're committed to the cause.
We will continue until all needs have been met, just like Hurricane Iselle.
Volcano Observatory reports that Fissure 8 continues to erupt with a full channel flowing to the ocean at Kapoho. Gas emissions from the fissure eruption and at the ocean entry blaze plume continue to be very high. Currently, there is no immediate threat, but persons near the active flow should be prepared and heed warnings from civil defense. Due to current volcanic activity, the following is provided for your information. Avoid the lays at the ocean entry. Health hazards of lays include lung damage and eye and skin irritation. Monitor fog and air quality conditions online using the Hawaii Interagency Fog Information Dashboard, linked on the Civil Defense website. Due to frequent earthquake activity, residents in the volcano area are advised to monitor utility connections of gas, electricity, and water after earthquakes. On the eruption, the following is provided for your information. The total homes destroyed is 637. The area that has been covered by lava is 6,144 acres. Disaster assistance is available island-wide to individuals and businesses in Hawaii County that have been affected by the Kilauea eruption. You can register for disaster assistance with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, also referred to as FEMA, in person by visiting the Disaster Recovery Center by calling 1-800-621-3362 or online at disasterassistance.gov. The Disaster Recovery Center is open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and is located at the KILAUEA High School gym. The Disaster Recovery Center is staffed with representatives from FEMA, the U.S. Small Business Administration, and state and county agencies. We are on watch 24 hours a day for your safety. This is your Hawaii County Civil Defense Agency.
I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if you look at all the houses around here, all the roofs are all black, and that's just